Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching new video of hotel. In this hotel, 5 type of room is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy. To see more than 100 of reviews of this hotel, you can go to agoda.com. Its review rating is 9.2. Check-in time in this hotel is 2 p.m. and check-out time of this hotel is 12 p.m. If you have stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. For booking or to get more details about this hotel, please check description. If you have any problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can drop a comment and